Good morning, everyone, and welcome. I'm delighted to have you here today. My name is Dr. S.K. Singh, and I hold a PhD in this field. Today, we're going to explore manufacturing process controls for liquid dosage forms. In this presentation, we'll cover key aspects of controlling and optimizing the manufacturing processes to ensure quality and efficiency. I look forward to sharing insights that can help deepen your understanding and improve your practices. Let's get started. Manufacturing process controls, or MPC, play a critical role in ensuring that every batch of solutions, syrups, suspensions, and emulsions consistently meets quality expectations. These controls are applied throughout the entire manufacturing process, from handling raw materials to solution preparation, filtration, holding, filling, and packing. The goal is to prevent deviations at any stage, which helps maintain uniformity across batches. By implementing these controls effectively, we not only support compliance with good manufacturing practices, or GMP, but also enhance the reliability and safety of our products. Today, I'll introduce you to liquid dosage and process controls, or IPC, which are a vital part of this overall quality assurance framework. These IPCs help us monitor and control critical parameters during liquid manufacturing, ensuring that every dose meets our strict quality standards. Let's take a closer look at the key quality attributes, or CQAs, for liquid dosage forms. These are the critical parameters we need to control to ensure the safety and efficacy of the product. First up is appearance and clarity. It's important that the liquid looks good, no particles or cloudiness, because that can indicate contamination or instability. Next, the pH level is crucial since it affects stability and how well the drug is absorbed. Viscosity is also key. It influences how easy it is to pour and administer the medication. Assay or content uniformity ensures that each dose contains the correct amount of active ingredient, which is vital for consistent therapeutic effects. Density or specific gravity helps us verify the product's consistency and concentration. Microbial quality can't be overlooked. It's essential to prevent contamination and ensure the product is safe for use. Preservative content is part of that, helping to inhibit microbial growth over the product's shelf life. Fill volume and container integrity are also important, as they directly impact dose accuracy and prevent leaks or contamination. All these attributes together form the foundation of quality for liquid dosage forms, helping us deliver safe, effective, and reliable medicines to patients. Now, let's walk through the main steps of our manufacturing process. First, we start with raw material dispensing, where we carefully measure and prepare the ingredients needed. Next, we move on to heating, mixing, and dissolution, ensuring everything combines properly and reaches the right consistency. After that, we prepare the solution or suspension, making sure it's uniform and meets quality standards. Following that, filtration is crucial to remove any impurities or particulates, ensuring the product's purity. Once filtered, the solution is held in storage, ready for the next stages. Then, we proceed to filling and capping, where the product is transferred into containers and sealed securely. Labeling and packing come next, which is important for identification, branding, and protection during distribution. Finally, we perform final quality control checks and batch release to confirm everything meets our specifications before the product reaches the market. It's important to note that MPC, or material production control, is applied at each step, helping us maintain strict quality and process consistency throughout the entire manufacturing process. Let's talk about the verification of raw material identity. Ensuring we have the correct raw materials is fundamental to quality. We need to confirm that each batch matches the specifications before we proceed. Next, we have to pay close attention to weight accuracy and calibration of balances. Accurate measurements are critical, so balances must be regularly calibrated to maintain precision. Environmental controls are also essential. Keeping temperature and relative humidity within the right range helps preserve material integrity and consistency. When dispensing raw materials, it's important to do so under controlled cleanliness conditions. This minimizes contamination and ensures the purity of the materials. Material status labeling and reconciliation are also key. Clear labels help avoid mix-ups, and reconciling materials ensures everything is accounted for properly. All of this information must be documented thoroughly in the Batch Manufacturing Record, or BMR, to maintain traceability and compliance. These process controls during raw material dispensing are vital for ensuring quality, consistency, and regulatory adherence throughout manufacturing. They form the backbone of a robust quality system and help us deliver safe, effective products to our customers. Let's talk about some of the key process controls during solution preparation. First, monitoring temperature, agitation speed, and mixing time is crucial. These parameters ensure the solution forms correctly and remains stable. Consistent temperature control helps prevent degradation, while proper agitation and mixing time guarantee uniformity throughout the batch. Next, pH adjustment and verification are essential steps. Maintaining the correct pH not only affects the stability of the solution, but also its efficacy and safety. It's important to verify pH after adjustments to confirm it's within the specified range. Appearance and clarity checks are another vital part of quality control. Visually inspecting the solution helps us identify any particulates or cloudiness that might indicate contamination or improper mixing. For syrups and suspensions, viscosity checks are necessary. These ensure the product has the right consistency for proper dosing and patient use. Inline sensors play a significant role by providing continuous monitoring. They allow us to track parameters in real time, enabling immediate adjustments if needed, which enhances process control and product quality. Before proceeding to filtration, a filter integrity check is performed. This step confirms that the filter is properly functioning and free of defects, preventing contamination or loss of product down the line. Finally, sampling is conducted to verify uniform mixing. Taking representative samples ensures that the entire batch is consistent and meets quality specifications. All these controls work together to ensure our solutions are prepared safely, effectively, and in accordance with quality standards. They are fundamental to maintaining the integrity of the entire manufacturing process. Let's now look at some key process controls during filtration to ensure the highest quality results. First, pre- and post-filtration clarity are essential. They help us verify that the fluid is clear before starting filtration and that the final product meets clarity standards afterward. Next, conducting a filter integrity test, such as the bubble point or differential pressure test, is critical to confirm that the filter is properly sealed and functioning effectively. Another important aspect is ensuring compatibility of the filter with the product. We need to select filters that won't interact negatively with the product, which could compromise quality or safety. Monitoring the differential pressure across the filter throughout the process is also vital. It helps us identify potential blockages or filter fouling early, so we can take action before issues arise. Controlling the filtrate hold time is another key factor. Storing the filtrate too long can risk contamination, so proper timing and storage conditions are necessary. Lastly, preventing microbial contamination is always a priority. This involves maintaining sterile conditions and following strict aseptic techniques. All of these controls work together to ensure our filtration process remains reliable, safe, and effective, reinforcing the overall integrity of our production process. Now, let's talk about the key process controls during the holding stage. First, temperature monitoring is crucial because maintaining the correct temperature ensures product stability and safety. Homogeneity verification is also essential. It confirms that the mixture remains uniform, preventing issues like settling or separation. Agitation control plays a vital role here too, as it helps prevent settling in suspensions, ensuring consistent quality throughout the hold time. Next, vessel status labeling is important for clear identification of the process stage and vessel condition, which supports traceability and safety. Bioburden and hold time control are critical for preventing microbial contamination and ensuring that the product stays within the designated hold period without compromising quality. Finally, verifying tank integrity and cleaning status helps confirm that the equipment is properly maintained and free of any residues or contaminants before continuing with the process. All these controls tie together to ensure product quality, safety, and compliance throughout the holding phase, which is a vital part of the overall manufacturing process. Now, let's talk about the process controls during filling and capping. First, filling controls are crucial to ensure that each container receives the correct amount of product. This can be achieved through gravimetric or volumetric methods, both aiming for precision. Monitoring foaming and air bubble formation is also essential because excess foam or bubbles can compromise product quality and stability. Next, viscosity plays a significant role in the filling rate. If the product is too viscous or too thin, it can affect how smoothly and accurately the filling process runs, so adjustments may be necessary to optimize performance. Before starting the line, it's important to check for line clearance to prevent contamination or mishaps during operation. Moving on to capping controls, torque and seal integrity are vital. Proper torque ensures the cap is sealed tightly without damaging the container or the cap itself, maintaining product safety. Cap placement and alignment should be precise to avoid leaks or improperly sealed bottles. Conducting container closure integrity tests helps verify that the seal is secure and the product is protected from contamination. Finally, visual inspection remains a key step. It allows us to catch any defects like misaligned caps, cracks, or other visible issues that could compromise quality. All these controls work together to ensure our filling and capping processes are consistent, safe, and compliant with quality standards, reinforcing the overall theme of maintaining excellence throughout production. Let's now discuss the key aspects of cleanroom classification compliance. This involves ensuring that the cleanroom environment meets specific standards for cleanliness and contamination control. A crucial part of this is air quality monitoring, which includes both viable and non-viable particle counts. Viable monitoring checks for microbial contamination, while non-viable focuses on particulate matter. Next, water system quality is vital, especially for processes requiring purified water or WFI, water for injection. Maintaining high water quality prevents microbial growth and ensures product safety. Sanitization validation is another cornerstone. It confirms that cleaning procedures effectively eliminate contaminants. Personnel hygiene and gowning are also essential. Proper gowning protocols and hygiene practices help prevent introducing contaminants into the cleanroom. Surface and area bioburden monitoring allows us to detect microbial presence on surfaces and in the environment, ensuring ongoing cleanliness. Lastly, environmental and microbiological controls tie everything together. They involve maintaining controlled conditions, like temperature, humidity, and microbial levels, to sustain a sterile environment. All these elements collectively support the overall quality and safety of our manufacturing processes, aligning with our commitment to product integrity. Let's take a closer look at some of the key tools and practices that help us ensure quality and compliance in our processes. First, real-time entries in BMR and BPR are crucial because they allow us to record manufacturing and batch record data instantly, reducing errors and increasing traceability. Next, we have IPC and MPC records, which are maintained with defined frequency. This means we regularly monitor and document critical process parameters to stay on top of process control. When deviations occur, whether they are out of specification, out of trend, or out of tolerance, we log them systematically along with CAPA or corrective and preventive actions to address issues promptly and prevent recurrence. Data integrity is fundamental, and we follow the ALCOA plus principles: attributable, legible, contemporaneous, original, accurate, plus complete, consistent, and enduring, ensuring our data is trustworthy and compliant. Electronic batch records, or EBRs, further enhance data accuracy by digitizing batch documentation, making it easier to review and audit. Machine vision technology is also increasingly important for defect detection, providing automated, high-precision inspection that reduces human error. Inline PAT tools, such as pH meters, NIR sensors, and viscosity analyzers, enable us to monitor critical parameters continuously during production, allowing immediate adjustments if needed. IoT-based monitoring and alarms take this a step further by providing real-time data streams and alerts, helping us respond quickly to any anomalies. Finally, all these aspects, documentation, data integrity, and advanced technology, come together to create a robust, transparent, and compliant manufacturing environment. This integrated approach is essential for maintaining quality, ensuring safety, and supporting continuous improvement throughout our processes. Now, as we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on the key takeaways. Manufacturing process controls are essential for ensuring consistent quality in liquid dosage forms, which is critical for patient safety and product efficacy. These controls are not limited to just one stage. They span the entire process, from raw materials and preparation to filtration, filling, and packing. Implementing strong monitoring systems helps us reduce variability, which in turn enhances compliance with regulatory standards and improves overall product quality. And of course, embracing new technologies allows us to achieve greater precision and make real-time decisions, which is a game changer for efficiency. Ultimately, continuous improvement is at the heart of robust liquid manufacturing operations. By constantly refining our processes and leveraging the latest advancements, we can ensure our products are safe, effective, and of the highest quality for those who depend on them. For further support, please contact us. We're here to help with any questions or additional assistance you might need after today's presentation. Thank you for your attention and engagement today. We appreciate your time and look forward to supporting you in implementing these ideas.